Hello guys, and in today's video we're going to have a look on async function and how we can call uh, different APIs with it. So let's get right into it. So first we need to specify our async function. So async function, it could be fetch Pokemon data because we are going to use the Pokemon API. And what we need to do next is to use try, which here is going to be specify the API call and what we want to do with it. Next, we're going to have catch, error, and a console log. And then we can call the function fetch Pokemon data. We are going to call the function, and here, as you can see, we are going to log our error if something would go wrong. So let's start with specifying the API call. It's constant response await, because we are waiting for the promise, because we are promised some data or something, so we need to wait for the data to arrive. And this is the magic of the async function, because we can wait. So let's await fetch, and this is our URL. Awesome. And now we need to get the data to display it at the console or whatever. So const data await response.json. So let's get rid of this one for a moment. And now we can console.log data. Give me a minute, I need to get rid of this URL at the top. Now it should work. Yeah, as you can see, we get the Pokemons, and now we can, for example, display it by using .for each. So let's get the data dot results dot for each. Now we're going to specify Pokemon. It's like the one piece from the array, so it could be Pokemon or it could be fruit or whatever you want to name it. And we can console log it the name of the Pokemon, and it should write all of the Pokemon's names, as you can see here. So and let's have a look on a different thing that we can do with it. So as we got suggested, we can specify method, get, post, update, delete, or whatever. And we can also specify headers. Then we can specify body. It's easy, yeah, but it needs to be specified as body JSON.stringify. And then here you can see the example, or here it should be post. And here you can see how it's looking. It's a name, email, and it could be whatever you want, like for example email and password, or a task name, you know, whatever you need. And yeah, that's it. So this was a kind of introduction to the API calls. So thank you for watching, and see you at the next video.